Hello, my dears. Very good morning. Welcome back. How are you? So, my dears, on today we have a special to do. Okay, today we are going to deal with section C. Yes, writing section. We will solve writing section, and in writing section today we are going to face most important concept of 4 mark poster. Yes, poster. We'll deal with poster. Okay. So what is poster? Poster plays very important and vital role in everyone's life. If you wanted to know about something, okay, so you after seeing poster, after watching poster, you have idea to get new things going on in business, in any field. Yes, in marketing even. So my dears, when we pass from city, when we pass from any street, okay, when we cross the city, so we have seen many posters nearby the bridge, nearby the road, alongside the highway and the bridge. Okay, so everywhere in the market, everywhere we can see the posters. Okay, so means posters are the most appropriate and most appreciate means of informing about the product. Okay, and posters can be social. Okay, posters can be political, posters can be religious, posters can be related to any new product. Okay, so posters are categorized in many aspects. Okay, sometimes we have seen the poster of any political parties, any political party's leader. Okay, and sometimes we have seen posters about a social program or about a cultural program, or sometimes many times we have seen about posters about new product launch. Okay, launching new product like mobile or anything. Okay, so posters are very important means to deliver information about the given theme or the given subject or given topic in posters. Okay, so posters are attractive when many times we see a poster. So it is very easy, okay, to deal with anything. Okay, because you have information about the product. Okay, and when you see many times a particular thing like poster, so in your mind the posters thing, okay, the content of poster and the things which you have seen in posters already fix in your heart and mind. So sometimes we went on shop, okay, and we had been asked about what we wanted to buy. So then we remember the name of the product, but from where we could know the name of the product easily? Okay, from posters. Because when we were passing by car, so we had seen about a product, and we could know the name of the product, okay, after seeing that poster. So posters plays very important role. Okay, so when we make the posters, we should remember many things. Okay, we should remember things. Okay, so things to be remembered. Number one, uh, when we are dealing with the poster, our posters title must be creative. Means we will make the posters title creative. Okay, and we can keep it in a form of slogan or rhyming. We can keep the title and the heading of the poster in a rhyming or attractive or creative. Okay, so we should keep our title creative. Okay, and we can in form of slogan or rhymes. Okay, then if we talk about the shape, okay, so and figure, so we can use matchstick. Okay, we can use matchstick. Okay, figure. Okay, majestic figure we can keep while making this, while making poster we can keep the poster in majestic figure. Okay, then proper spacing. Yes, we must remember about the spacing given in the poster. Okay, you must remember the space. Okay, what space you want to give. So just keep clear the space that you want to give in poster. Then we will mention date. Okay, then time, venue, place. Okay, so we have to keep these things in our poster, like date, time, venue. Okay. Then if we talk about so a poster's display. Okay. So if we talk about the display of the poster, so poster gives message. Okay. What is the theme of the poster? Poster aware us. Okay. Why we see poster? Because posters plays very important role to aware people, to aware society, to aware, to beware, to careful people. Okay. For the product or for giving theme in poster. Okay. So they create awareness in our society. So the poster displays the creativeness. Poster displays awareness, awareness in society. Okay. Then yes, it is their duty to create awareness in society. Okay. And poster appeal. Okay. Poster appeal to create awareness in the society. Then if we talk about the content, so the content should be original. Okay. So the the content should be original and the content should be organized very well. Okay. Means your sentences, okay, your sentences should be grammatically also uh, fulfilled. Okay. Your sentence should be well arranged or well organized. Okay. And united. Then if we talk about your style, so your style of writing poster should be appropriate. Okay. Means you should keep appropriate style while making any poster. Then if we talk about the expression, okay, so we should give correct expression. Okay. And if we talk about language, your language should be proper and you should use appropriate expression. Okay. Then if we talk about the theme, so your theme should be clear. You should keep your theme clear. Okay. Before seeing people. Okay. So it creates awareness in society. Then if we talk about illustration, so you should not, okay, means do not spend much time on illustration. Don't spend much time on illustration. Then at last we write, okay, the concerning person, we write designation. So at last we write name of issuing authority. Okay. So poster creates awareness in people. Okay. And we have seen many category of posters, like social posters we have seen. Okay. Like social poster like blood donation camp. Okay. And cleanliness drive and tree plantation. Social awareness. For social, we have seen political awareness, means related to the scheme just launched by government. Okay. You can see in political poster schemes launched by WHO or government or anybody, state or central government. Then if we talk about religious posters, so if you wanted to see, if sometimes you have given information of any festival or information about like Kumbh fair. Okay. Kumbh or Ardha Kumbh fair, when it is going to start. Okay. So you have given that in that kind of poster. Okay. So we have different, then product. Okay. You can see the different newly launched product. If suppose iPhone new, okay, iPhone new version if launched, so where you can see its figure, it's a side figure or it's a back figure or colors or everything. And or if any bike or car have launched, so we can see in poster. Okay. We can see a proper look in poster. So poster also a means of informing to people together in a short time. They create public awareness, okay, in us. So let's start solving poster. Okay. So we have today we'll discuss on two posters, and I have told you how to draw poster. Okay. Your theme should be clear. Okay. Your words should be well arranged. Okay. And then your sentences should be appropriate and appreciable. Okay. So you have clear everything. So on the basis of these ideas, we'll start dealing with two posters. Okay. Number one. So if there is a question, you are a president of, okay, you are president of the Resident Welfare Association. You are president. Okay. So you are president of the Resident Welfare Association of Mayur Colony. Means you are the president of Mayur Colony. Okay. You are president of the Association of Mayur Colony. Okay. Then Then what to do? Delhi. Design a poster in not more than, yes, in most important thing I want to share. Do not keep poster more than 50 words. Okay. Your word limit should not, your word limit do not exceed. Okay. More than 50 words. Okay. So you wanted to promote cleanliness. Okay. In the surrounding of your colony. So the poster is relevance to cleanliness drive. You are the president of the society. You are president of society. Okay. And you want to create public awareness. Okay. You want to create, you want to promote cleanliness in society. So that's why you prepare, okay, you prepare a poster. So we'll see. Number one, on the top. So most important, keep the poster, keep the written things, mention all the written things in enclosed box. We are going to make poster in enclosed box. So keep all the thing in enclosed box. Number one, in the middle, on the top. Okay, we will write about the concerning subject or theme given to us. Cleanliness promotion campaign, campaign in capital letter. So on the top, in the middle, we write the name of concerning subject or theme given to us, like cleanliness promotion campaign. Okay. Number two. Okay. So your word should be, means you can start with a fascinated rhyme, a fascinated title. Means you should make your title strong first. Okay. So it should be in rhyming. Okay. It should be in rhyming. So cleanliness, or it should be in slogan type also. So cleanliness promotion camp. Okay. Then keep your colony clean. Yes, you can use slogan. Keep your colony clean. Then cleanliness of the colony is the duty of each one of us. So you mention all the 3 point below to each other. Okay. So cleanliness of the colony is the duty of each other. Then next. Okay. So now you wanted to show the advantage of clean surrounding. Number one, safety from disease. Yes, you can save. Okay, you can be safe if you have hygienic surroundings. Okay, then looks impressive. Yes, it looks very impressive if you have clean, if you have cleaned your area. So it looks, okay, it looks very beautiful. Then civilized way of living. Yes, it is a civilized way of living. Okay. Then good for a healthy environment. Yes, if you want be healthy, so you should do it, you must do it. Good example for other to emulate. Yes, if you are doing cleanliness drive, if you are operating, if you are functioning cleanliness drive in your society, so it is must to get by others. The other also would take this lesson, and they also start their cleanliness drive in their society. So it will be good. Then at last, again, you are just dealing with line impressive. You should keep impressive line. Let us get together for a cleanliness drive. Now you are urging, you are just asking, you are inviting to people to put their hand in hand. Okay, and just start this drive. Okay, to be safe and healthy. Okay. So then authority name. In last, in middle, can write authority name. Issued by, okay, Resident Welfare Association, Mayur Bihar, Delhi, pin code or president. Okay, so at last you go for designation. So very easy to deal. Okay, so your word limit should not exceed 50 words. You should keep the poster in enclosed box. Okay, and you should remember everything. Your figure should be appropriate. Okay. Then prepare a poster is not more than 50 words. Kindness to animal. Yes, the poster is relevance. Kindness to animal. You wanted to create kindness in people for animal. So how to start? Number one, the first. Okay, keep poster in box. Okay, number one. Number two, start with slogan. Start your title with slogan or rhymes. Okay, so be kind to animals. In capital letter, be kind to animals. Then no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Yes, like that. Okay, no act of kindness, no matter how small. Okay, so it is not a big matter, but you should follow. Animal are living creature too. Yeah, they are also living creature. You are not only inherited the earth, You are not only the person who inherited all the earth. Okay, they are also the owner of the earth. Okay, they also they have shared everything with us. Okay, and so God graces us with all the things, whatever you think, the things belong to only for you. Okay, so then next, do not deprive them or the right to live peacefully. Let them let them live peacefully. Do not hesitate, do not irritate them. Okay, so then highlights. Okay, now you write highlight. Respect life in all its form. Yes, we should respect it if we are human. So it is not for us to harm creatures, okay, who are not human. We don't have right to irritate or harass or disturb or discriminate them who are not human, okay, like animals. So we should remember these things. Okay, then next highlight. Do not treat animal with contempt. We should show our kindness toward them. Then do not behave like a beast. Okay, we are not beasts, we are human beings. So no need to behave with them like beast. Okay, and being cruel to animal. We should not being cruel to animal. Why? If you are doing so, it means you are a sign of a weak mind, number one. Okay, you are going against our religion. Yeah, in our religion there is not given any practice like this. Okay, cruelty against animal. Okay, then committing a crime. Yeah, it's a crime. It is a crime. Okay, so then authority. Okay, authority means designation at last. So issued by and why we make it for public awareness. So then at last, issued by. Okay, so you can write issued by whatever you have given. Okay, so like that we can deal easily a poster.